Welcome to Compare to Win. The best horse brush is probably one of the most essential tools in any horse owner's grooming kit, playing a crucial role in maintaining your equine companion's coat health, cleanliness, and overall well-being. A good brush not only removes dirt, mud, and loose hair but also stimulates blood circulation, distributes natural oils for a healthy shine, and can even be a bonding experience between horse and handler. Choosing the right brush depends on your horse's coat type, skin sensitivity, and the specific grooming task at hand, whether it's a deep clean after a muddy ride or a daily spruce-up to keep them looking and feeling their best. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Long Bristle Horsehair Leather Cleaning Brush. Introducing our premium horsehair brush, designed for a gentle yet effective clean. Its soft bristles lift dirt and grime without scratching delicate surfaces. This versatile brush is safe for all leather types, including natural, synthetic, and faux finishes. It's perfect for your car's interior, furniture, and even your favorite accessories. The long bristle design allows it to reach into every crease and seam. Achieve a deeper, more thorough clean on textured surfaces with ease. Experience superior control with its ergonomic handle. The comfortable grip ensures a secure hold for extended cleaning sessions. Pair it with your favorite leather cleaner for maximum cleaning power. It ensures both effective cleaning and surface safety. This tool is not just for cars, it's perfect for automotive, home, office, and fashion leather care. Keep all your leather looking its best. What we like. This brush features incredibly soft horsehair bristles, perfect for gently cleaning delicate leather surfaces without causing damage. If you're looking for a safe and effective way to maintain your car's interior, furniture, or even your favorite leather boots and bags, this is the ideal choice. Its long bristles ensure a deep clean, reaching into every crevice. What people say. The brush is very effective at removing loose hair and dirt from my horse's coat. It has a comfortable grip that makes it easy to use for extended periods. The bristles are firm enough to get deep into the coat but gentle enough not to irritate the skin. Number 4. Aquapaw 5-in-1 Horse and Dog Bath Brush. Tired of messy and time-consuming grooming sessions? Introducing a revolutionary tool designed to make bath time easier for both you and your pet. This innovative device combines 5 essential grooming functions into one. It acts as a brush, comb, scrubber, and massager, all while delivering a soothing spray. Specifically designed for horses and large dogs, its XL size and durable silicone ensure effective grooming. The adjustable strap provides a comfortable, secure fit for any hand. Connecting it to your shower is a breeze with the included 3-foot hose and adapter. You'll have a steady stream of water ready for a thorough and enjoyable clean. The soft silicone bristles gently scrub away dirt and loose hair while massaging the skin. It promotes healthy circulation and leaves their coat looking shiny and feeling soft. Whether you're bathing a majestic horse or a beloved large breed dog, this tool is your ultimate companion. It simplifies the grooming process, making it a pleasant experience for everyone. What we like. This innovative tool combines bathing and grooming into one seamless experience with its integrated shower hose and adjustable spray settings. If you're a horse owner or have large dogs and want to make bath time easier and more enjoyable, this is the product for you. It allows for a thorough scrub and a soothing massage, all while keeping your pet clean. What people say. The bristles are easy to clean out afterwards and a hand strap is adjustable to fit anyone. The long hose of the Aquapaw easily reaches under our little guy. There is nowhere in the tub that the new guy can hide from the water, not even behind our legs at the back of the tub since we both have to bathe him at this point. It is so much easier and faster to rinse the dogs all the way clean. The easy one-hand on-off function of the Aquapaw is so much better than leaving the shower running, wasting water and money, or turning it off and on at the faucet, which was highly upsetting to our sound-sensitive girl. Number 3. Both winners dual-sided shedding blade. Experience unparalleled comfort with its ergonomically designed handle. This non-slip grip ensures maximum control, no matter how you hold it, making grooming a breeze. Featuring a versatile 2-sided blade, it's perfect for any pet. Use the coarse side for long coats and the fine side for short coats, ensuring effective shedding for all. Easily adjust your grip to groom large areas or small, intricate spots. This tool is designed for all dogs and cats, and even larger animals like horses. Groom with ease by gently gliding the tool over your pet's fur. Avoid applying too much pressure to protect their skin while efficiently removing loose hair. Keep your pet's coat clean and healthy while significantly reducing shedding. This quality tool effectively removes loose hair, keeping both your pet and your home cleaner. What we like. Featuring a unique dual-sided shedding blade, this tool is designed to tackle shedding for all coat types, from short to long. If you're tired of excessive pet hair around your home and want an efficient way to groom your dog, cat, or even large animals like horses, this is a must-have. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling for maximum control. What people say. The brush was much more effective this way, and I got a ton of fur off my dog. He has a double coat, and this brush got a bunch of the undercoat to come off. It can be used in loop position or slide apart the handle and have a long flexible tool. I originally was worried about the metal teeth which it has on both edges, smaller side and larger size teeth, but I have no issues with it hurting my dog's skin. The handle design, which comes apart to give me better access to all areas of my dog's body. It makes grooming much easier, especially when I need to reach tricky spots like the belly and legs. This feature has definitely made grooming sessions more efficient. Number 2. TAKAVU 6.7 Horsehair Shoe Shine Brush. Designed for the discerning shoe care professional, this brush offers the perfect balance of sturdiness and softness. It gently cleans your leather goods while preparing them for a brilliant shine. Crafted with 100% soft, genuine horsehair bristles and a durable beechwood handle, this brush is built to last. Experience the quality of premium materials in your hand. Its unique concave design and lightweight build ensure a comfortable grip and effortless maneuverability. You can clean and polish with ease, preventing hand fatigue. Beyond shoes, its high-density bristles are perfect for shining and polishing a wide range of leather items. From sofas and bags to coats and gloves, it handles it all. This brush's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store and carry. Keep it handy for quick touch-ups and cleaning wherever you are. What we like. Crafted with 100% soft genuine horsehair and a uniquely designed concave wood handle, this brush is perfect for achieving a professional shine on leather goods. If you're a shoe care enthusiast or simply want to keep your leather boots, bags, and furniture looking their best, this is an excellent choice. Its comfortable grip and portable design make it convenient for use anywhere. What people say. It functions as it should. It cleaned my boots up quickly and easily, and my boots were very dusty before I used this brush. It's a good price and a matching what the description states it is. I would definitely buy and recommend to others to buy it. They're looking for a leather brush. This isn't a painting brush, although I suppose you might be able to paint with it. That's not its intended purpose as far as I'm aware, but for cleaning boots, which is the reason I purchased it. This item works very well and it seems to be made well and should last for a good amount of time if used properly and stored nicely. What a great high quality, soft bristle brush. The wood used for the handle is clearly high quality. It is made of real wood, sturdy, and the bristles are soft enough but not too soft. They're perfect. Number 1. Both winners reversible stainless steel curry comb. Experience superior grooming control with our ergonomically designed handle. It comfortably fits your hand, no matter how you hold it, for maximum ease. This grooming tool features a reversible spring steel design. One side offers gentle daily use, while the other tackles tough mud and hair. Easily remove caked mud and shed hair from your horse. This tool helps increase blood circulation and promotes a healthier coat. Beyond grooming, it's also perfect for cleaning carpets and acting as a body brush. Achieve a beautiful coat on your horse with this multifunctional tool. Rest assured, the strong teeth on this comb are built to last. They will not bend or break, ensuring long-term reliability. What we like. This reversible curry comb features spring steel with two sides, one for daily use and a sharper one for tough mud and hair, making it ideal for grooming horses. If you need a robust tool to effectively remove caked on mud and loose hair while also promoting better blood circulation for your horse's health, this is the perfect solution. Its ergonomic handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip during grooming sessions. What people say. This is springy and just sweeps over the horse, pulling off piles or shedding fur quickly and efficiently. It doesn't damage the fur, or cut it out at the roots as some other horse shedding tools I've tried have done. The picture I added is only from about 5 minutes of brushing, where other brushes would have only gotten out less than 1/4 of that in 30 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.